know. If you wanted to get together, all you had to do was come. My sister! Where is she? Let's not talk about her. Let's talk about you. I'm beginning to think you don't love me as much as I thought you did. Where is my sister? Number 5 was supposed to be with me, but maybe she's with number 3 and number 4. And where are they? Coordinates 82.77. Do I get a big thank you smooch now?